working in Dubai since 2008. I was purely doing marketing and then doing some consulting. So while doing consulting, I came across a lot of companies which are into green technology who wants to come to Middle East or India. So this is how I started the Net Green Foundation, where we have three pillars. So one is the media, where we are basically doing the media amplification for the technologies or people who are doing the grassroots level work and creating awareness, doing media amplification about those work, doing knowledge exchange, creating a platform for people to become their voice and basically cross pollinate between good works which is happening across the globe so people can learn and they can basically replicate to achieve net zero. So this is the media amplification arm. Then the second one is collaboration. We collaborate with a lot of people like Dr. We can collaborate with you, with your organization. We see the synergies and we can take your messages to the global level. We can bring, we are also associated with Dr. Renuka, so we are also working with her. So this is the collaboration bit. Then we have Center of Excellence, where we are basically asking people to place the technology or they would like to explore new markets. So basically, a lot of technology which wants to explore Middle East, Africa, or developing nation, or even from developed countries like US, Europe, UK, and these technologies wants to explore the developing market like ours. So that is the ideal platform where we have the Center of Excellence directors in each country, and these directors will basically do the matchmaking. They will take the interviews of people who are doing the grassroots level work, and will feature that thing as a package. So we are not only the publication, but we are a platform matchmaking, doing the good thing so that we can save this earth. So this is briefly about
Wow,
me.
wow. So are doing very
Green Foundation, they can connect with me. I will share my email ID in the chat also, so you can publish that. You have my email ID. You can put it in the description, so they can reach out to me. I have a mobile number. They can do a WhatsApp or call, and they can just discuss with me. We will feature them as a initiative in our magazine, or we'll connect them with the technology or the partners. So if they are looking to bring any technology like Polar SS, where they convert tires into diesel or something more crude oil. So there are multiple ways. So circular economy, there are multiple technologies. So we keep interacting with multiple technologies who wants to explore Africa or any country, as a matter of fact, because your reach is also not only limited to Africa, but it is going global. So we are also a global organization where we are bringing all these things on a common platform and then doing the cross pollination with you. So like we are taking our message through your platform and connecting with people just to have more people to
yeah,
leverage the platform.
yeah. Thank you so much. And
What we are planning to do from this year onward, like you are conducting a podcast, so we will be doing collaborative podcast. Maybe some podcast will do it with you, and we also do a lot of webinars. So where we bring a lot of companies who are we are featuring in our publication or doing
oh,
collaboration.
wonderful.
So I'll give you a few examples. So there is one company in New Zealand which do this tree plantation with the local farmers. So this is how that carbon sink and reforestation and carbon sequestering is done in Australia, and they are doing and managing that tree for next 5 years with geotagging, and the carbon credits are also captured. So this is how they are doing. Then we have I also interacted with one gentleman in Europe, which is basically containing a container where the air comes from one side, interact with algae and water and convert it into oxygen. So there are multiple
Wow,
which is
wow.
happening. So see on these kind of platform, so we are talking, but what we can do in the next time, we can bring all these experts. They can share their
Yeah,
they can share their technology, and then
yeah,
whoever would like to connect, or maybe we can do it with government, we can do it with municipality. So like what we are doing in India, we are bringing all the municipality of a state. So
yeah.
under one room, and then we are bringing all these technology provider to come and present it to them, and then
Wow.
do it in Africa or any other part of the world where the service provider and then the facilitator can come together and they can exchange,
Yeah.
they can close the deal in that same room. So that is called matchmaking,
Wonderful.
what we are doing.
What?
Have a set of service provider who are interested to work with government across boundaries. So irrespective in which country, so what we can do, we can create a program, and what we can say, you can take an example. Okay, let's do it in Nigeria where we bring all the government official. You share the profile. Okay, these many government official, these are the departments who will be attending this seminar, and I'll bring all these companies who are interested to showcase their technology. And along with that, it is not only the technology, you also heard about green finance or ESCO modeling.
Yeah.
So it is like we bring finance partner, we bring technology, and we bring government who's looking for these kind of solution under one platform. And then what we can do is we can do it together. And in the same webinar, so what we'll do an initial webinar, because once we have the cost and everything sorted, and then we can do it in maybe in Dubai, maybe in Nigeria, maybe in Delhi,
Yeah.
maybe any part of the world where we bring all these government together and we do it like an expo, and
Yeah.
where they can meet. We have maybe 2 day conference where these technologies, and then the meet and greet can happen with all the excellencies and government official, and they can interact with them. They can tell their problem. Okay, this is my problem, and these
Yeah.
service provider will say, okay, this is the problem, we can solve it this way. When it comes to finance, government say, I don't have the money, let's do it
Yeah.
in public private partnership, or there is a bank which is financing the green projects. There's multiple ways. So we create a
Yeah.
ecosystem. So this is as a catalyst, like you and me will facilitate that, and we bring all the stakeholder, and let's do a proper conference anywhere. So it can be online, it can be physical one. So there can be series of conferences can be planned in that particular way.
Why?